Most React developers think useEffect runs during render. That mistake causes bugs in production apps every single day. Let's fix that right now. The useEffect function runs after your component renders and after React updates the DOM. Not before, not during, but after. React first renders your component to the screen, commits those changes to the actual DOM, then runs your effect function. This ordering is crucial because it means the user sees your UI immediately without waiting for side effects to complete. The dependency array is your control mechanism. An empty array means run once after the first render only, perfect for fetching initial data. Include dependencies like count or user ID, and the effect reruns whenever those specific values change. No array at all. Your effect runs after every single render, which is rarely what you want and often causes performance issues or infinite loops. Here's the key detail. useEffect runs asynchronously after the browser paints. React doesn't block rendering to run your effects. The screen updates first, giving users a responsive experience, then your effect executes. This is different from useEffect, which does block paint and run synchronously. The cleanup function is your way to prevent memory leaks. If your effect returns a function, React calls it before running the effect again or when the component unmounts. This is where you cancel timers, close connections, or unsubscribe from events. Without cleanup, you leave listeners running that point to components that no longer exist. Remember, useEffect runs after render, controlled by your dependency array, asynchronously after paint, with cleanup running before the next effect or on unmount. Master this timing and you'll avoid the most common React bugs. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.